Hello, good morning mga kabuchi. So finally, welcome to our garden again. Mga kabuchi, it's already Monday, week number 35, but this vlog is still for week number 34 of year 2024. So, this ampalaya is not as big as I wanted it to be. Hello, giud man niya ang ampalaya. Uy, nanamay ud mga kabutsi. Oh, kinain na ang ampalaya. So, we have a fest already mga kabutsi. And then, look at my ginger. So, the harvest time of ginger is October, and today is still August 27. August 26. Holiday. Ninoy's Aquino Day. And this is our kangkong, mga kabuchi. They are very thin, mga kabuchi. Oh. But at least they are surviving, mga kabuchi. So, giuda itong ampalaya. Dapay ampalaya diri mga kabuchi. Hala, ni-climb up na jud siya dito, mga kabuchi, ang ampalaya. But we have a fruit here. Sampurado, day. Dito mag-harvest og ampalaya. Giud maning ampalaya doon sa kusina nimo, oy. Giud na. Ang ud nakatultol na sa akong garden. And look at this, mga kabuchi. Then, champurado na dayon. Gaan na nagbunga sa kong ampalaya, mga kabuchi. Oh, look at the kamyas, mga kabuchi. Gikat na ko ang iyang mga leaves, mga kabuchi. And so, ana na dayon. My plants are happy. This is talong. And we have another talong here. Maulang da ito ang atong talong, mga kabuchi. So, after cutting on some stems, mga kabuchi, the talong rapidly produce branches, mga kabuchi. So, maybe, mga kabuchi, we can harvest talong 2 weeks later. Wala na, alam din ni santan. Oh, di man na siya santan. Kadto man na siya manitri. Oh, basa ko sa ulan, mga kabuchi. So, I will get under our trellis, mga kabuchi, which is kabungkagbo na, mga kabuchi. And we have here another ampalaya, mga kabuchi. What happened to our beans, mga kabuchi? Mo na siya ang string beans, mga kabuchi. They are starting to climb up. So, I hope they will get healthy, mga kabuchi, because they are very thin. And we have another here, mga kabuchi. Ooh, sus. Ampalaya pa more. Another one here. So, we have ampalaya. A lot of ampalaya, mga kabuchi. Wala na, ada secret, mga kabuchi. Oh, kita po niya ganyan. Wala. I think wala. And then, mga kabuchi. So, we have lots of ampalaya, mga kabuchi. And our lemon, mga kabuchi, oh, it didn't grow na lagi ka ng new leaves, no? Niguwang ritso ang sanga. So, this branch gets mature, mga kabuchi. Didn't grow. This one didn't grow new branches. Only this side here, mga kabuchi. And look at my lime, mga kabuchi. Guwapa na. very blooming. Our lime here is very blooming. But the soil here is very rich, mga kabuchi, especially if the roots can grow over under that area, mga kabuchi, under that area. So that's the compost area, mga good. And the alugbati is also happy, mga kabuchi. And we have talong all over here. This is a female flower, mga kabuchi. Diba? Female flower. We are having good times na, mga kabuchi. We will be happier na, mga kabuchi. Because our ampalaya is already doing well. Guwapa, nagigya akong lime, mga kabuchi. By next year, mga kabuchi, probably it will dominate this area na, mga kabuchi, next year. Then we will have lime fruits. Though this lime will add shade to my garden, but it's okay, mga kabuchi. We will our goal will be to do vertical gardening. I will raise this trellis up, and then we will keep on planting climbing vines that bear vegetable fruit, mga kabuchi. So that will be our plan. So I don't have yet plants here, mga kabuchi. Of course, we will continue planting ginger, mga kabuchi, because ginger is doing well in our soil. Even though they are under the trellis, mga kabuchi, they are okay. So we will plant ginger here, mga kabuchi. So the ginger that we're gonna be harvesting from here, mga kabuchi, will also be planted here, mga kabuchi, under the trellis. Hi, hello. So, are you ready to clean the house, Sophia Jane? Oh, yes. Yeah, it's very big already. Hello. Up. Let's check. Up, mga kabuchi. Oh, what is the view up? Wala pa man ta mag-harvest, kay dili pa man ta magluto. Your Auntie Adi will harvest it when she is going to cook. If she's not cooking, she will keep it there. That's the plan. So, mga kabuchi, look at the rooftop of my trellis. So, my trellis got a lot of competition. You have the coconut, and then you have the cacao, the camellias, and the malunggay, and the banana. Oh, kapit na mo ma-harvest ang banana, mga kabuchi. So, in order for my garden to survive, I have to toss up my trellis, mga kabuchi. So, my trellis, mga kabuchi, kay they're mga kabuchi, they're broken trellis. Look at that, mga kabuchi. Oh, it's already broken. I think I only have one post, mga kabuchi, that is not broken, because this one also is broken, mga kabuchi, and that one. So we only stand up because of this rope, mga kabuchi, this blue line. And then we also have another rope attached to our kitchen, mga kabuchi. So my plan is that I'll just use that kamyas, mga kabuchi. Use that kamyas, put a string in that kamyas, and then also attach it to the avocado tree, maybe. And then just put the strings mga kabutchi. No more post mga kabutchi. Just strings. Or maybe I'm gonna use nylon or something mga kabutchi. So ultimately, I'm not gonna be replacing this trellis mga kabutchi. I will not be using woods. Instead, I'm gonna be using strings. That's my current idea mga kabutchi. But doing it mga kabutchi probably is difficult. But that's the plan mga kabutchi. That's the plan. So, it's already 6:50 a.m. in the morning, Monday. And wala naman ko matalk mga kabutchi. Wala naman ko ma-update. So, ingon ani kadaot ang sibuyas mga kabutchi. What you check out yun diha. Sa tanglad mga kabutchi, at least this is alive. And then, may tanglad here mga kabutchi, oh. Naglisod ang life. So, we will not have any garden activity mga kabutchi. Today, we don't have any gardening activity. Ay! What happened to the ampalaya that I just planted? Hala! Gikaun mga kabutchi. This is supposed to be my new ampalaya. Anong gikaun man? Uy, gikaun mga kabutchi. Lami. Well. Anak dyan ng life siguro mga kabutchi. Una may ampalaya from the wild mga kabutchi. Ang ampalaya for the wild na natin pa sa kawas itong trellis. Sige mga kabutchi. Kanina ampalaya mga kabutchi. Makasakara niya sa kong trellis mga kabutchi. Sakaon na nato mga kabutchi. Naama siya dito. Sige mga kabutchi. This is the end of our video mga kabutchi. Look at my line mga kabutchi. It's a good morning line. Bye-bye.